Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the HSBC UK Rewards Credit Card. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about the HSBC UK Rewards Credit Card, it allows you to earn and pay with reward points on your everyday spending. You can get reward points wherever MasterCard is accepted, whether it's online, in-store, abroad, or even on recurring payments. You can then use your points to offset purchases within the MasterCard Pay with Rewards app. As a welcome bonus, you get 2,500 points worth £25 when you make your first transaction. Points are awarded up to 60 days after this period. The credit is subject to status, affordability, and terms and conditions. One of the key benefits of this rewards credit card is the ability to pay with reward points for everyday purchases wherever your card is accepted, both in store and online. Additionally, you get 0% interest on purchases and 0% interest on balance transfers for 6 months, provided the balance transfers are made within 60 days of account opening. A 2.99% fee applies for each balance transferred, with a minimum fee of £5. Your rewards credit card also comes with introductory points and bonus points, allowing you to earn rewards as you spend. You have the option to use your credit card abroad, enjoy 24/7 worldwide assistance, and access MasterCard priceless experiences. All HSBC credit cards are contactless and can be used with a digital wallet, making it easy to manage your transactions digitally. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The representative annual percentage rate, a PR, is 23.9% variable, which is important to consider if you plan to carry a balance. In conclusion, the HSBC UK Rewards Credit Card is ideal for users who want to earn rewards on their everyday spending and enjoy introductory offers like 0% interest on balance transfers. However, potential users should consider the APR and any fees associated with balance transfers. So that's basically all about the HSBC UK Rewards Credit Card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.